Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows / system32 / config / regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space / export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.